Eurofoam, rubber for industrial applications for over 50 years. Eurofoam is the story of Italian success at an international level. It is the story of one of the leading companies producing individual components out of solid and cellular rubber for industrial applications. For over 50 years, Eurofoam has been processing the raw material in its factories, starting from a block of rubber right through to the finished product. In this way, Eurofoam creates a virtuous circle, introducing to the market not only the finished products, but also semi-finished products. The capacity to always find new solutions, to create and handle the development of new products, to be used even in the most critical conditions, or suitable for the most extreme applications, has a secret. The entire production takes place in the group's plant on the outskirts of Milan. Eurofoam is one of the few companies able to provide a complete production process in-house. In this way, it can independently process any kind of material, sponge, solid, and agglomerate, in various forms and different sizes. Only through a constant exchange of information between those who produce and those who supply the raw materials can levels of excellence be achieved to successfully respond to the requests of the market, which is increasingly attentive not only to performance but also the economic values. And especially it can supply both the product for the final user and processing parts destined to become part of the customer's production cycles. Processing the rubber is one of the most critical and competitive sectors because of the infinite forms of use. In increasingly fluctuating markets, such as today's, but no less demanding because of this, Eurofoam has demonstrated that it knows how to launch and in particular shape new production, thanks to a continuous interaction between its research and development department and its customers. The internal management of every production phase has managed to achieve a considerable effect on production times and costs, at the same time increasing the level of quality of the finished product. But let's look in detail at the entire production cycle to discover how extremely flexible it is. The beginning is the transformation of raw materials into blocks. These are vulcanized in pressure molds, first hot and then steam, in closed and open cells and in various colors. The blocks are then trimmed by robots to create rolls of a continuous length of more than 22 meters. The material can be transformed into rolls and sheets with minimum thicknesses of 0.8 millimeters and a width up to 1.5 meters. Two independent systems laminate the materials with adhesive, cold with acrylic glues and hot with hot melt adhesives. They can be coupled with soundproofing materials capable of resisting temperatures above 140 degrees, destined for the most difficult environments. The profiles can be cut on lathes to different sections and lengths, or with special milling cutters shaped following the most complex drawings, with or without adhesive. But it is the cutting with water that makes the processing special. Water jet systems permit cuts of 90 and 45 degrees on sheets that are up to 18 centimeters thick, giving the designers maximum freedom of expression. Die cutting makes it possible to obtain gaskets starting from ad hoc drawings for the most varied applications. The half-cut or kiss cutting makes it possible to die-cut the gaskets in rolls, adding an adhesive surface and cleaning them of their internal and external swath. Eurofoam. Rubber for industrial applications for over 50 years.